So hello guys, after many days I am back for the tutorials of Python, and as I promised you I will be showing you so many modules like the Kenta, but it has been so like months of me not uploading the videos. I was just uploading some shorts, and also I didn't uploaded them for months. So because yeah, I was transferring, so I was having some problems. That's why I didn't make any videos. So today I am going to show you the random module in Python, and there are so many functions in random module like sample, shuffle, choice, random choice, like it is choices, okay, not choice, and then uniform. So random module is a module which is very needed, and if you are like taking a job or anything, so you need, and if you get any type of task to randomly print something, so you need the random module. So and also I will put the videos after every 2 days, and after some small modules coverage like this random system OS, I will continue like for big modules like IOTA GUI, Enter, Kiwi, and Django Flask. There are so many things, and also Python and Ursina. So the first function here is sample. Okay, so let me go to this my editor, code editor. So the thing is, this code editor is made by me only. Okay, through tkinter. And when I will teach you tkinter, you will also make a code editor like this, and also a calculator. So the first thing is sample. So here sample sample function sample function in random module. Okay, random module, sorry, random. So to test the sample function, so the sample function takes in the a list, tuple, or string, or a set value in which we can print it or display a if you are given a list, so it will take a sample of the list and print a random number. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. Import random as r, and mm, mm, okay, I'm back. So yeah, import random as r, and then I can use any type of list. Okay, let me create a list named x, and let's give it some numbers: 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, 7, and then 8, and then 9. Are you serious, man? And then 8, and then 9. Okay, and then use the sample thing. So for that we have to do print, then r dot sample, then again two brackets, and then we have to use x, and there we have to use the like how many numbers in sample you need in random. Okay, so I want four numbers from the nine numbers as a random value. So let me set one thing, like there is my output. Yeah, this is my output window. Okay, so this is my output window, and let me run it. So you can see, we got four random values from these nine numbers: 1, 2, 5, and 8. And again we can see, like we will get four random numbers, and if we change it to like 19, we'll get an error because there are only nine values there, not 19. So here we can get like 9. So let's see what will happen. So we will get nine, like there are nine uh, stored values in the list, and we'll get nine only. But thing is, it will be rearranged, and it will be in a random format. We can keep here 5. Okay, yeah, so 5, and the same result. Okay, and the thing is, like this we can use it for strings, set, and tuples. Okay, so these are the things for sample. Okay, then there is one more thing like shuffle. So shuffle is a thing that the shuffle method takes a sequence, list or tuple and rearrange the order of the items. Okay, so we can see it like here. uh, Instead of these numbers, I can make it, wait, wait a second. Instead of these numbers, I can give the values of some fruits. Okay, so it will be apple, apple, banana, banana, yeah, banana, and then orange. Okay, so orange, orange, and then we need the shuffle. So here, I can do r dot shuffle x. Okay, because the variable is x, so we have to put here x, and then in print we have to write, yeah, in print we have to write the variable name, so here x. Now let me get my output window. Yeah, so let's run. You can see here it's banana orange apple. Instead of apple banana orange, it is banana orange apple because it is rearranged. The shuffle, it shuffles like it shuffles the number. Okay, here we can do like we can change the number here. Like in cards we shuffle like that only, it shuffles 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, now we can run it and you can see all the 10 values are there, but in another forward 3, 9, 7, and if we rerun this, we can see another value. Okay, like that. Then it comes of choice. Okay, the choice. So let me show you about the choice. The choice method returns a randomly selected element from a string, a range of list, a tuple, or any sequence. Okay, so it takes a randomly selected element. Okay, so let's use it. Import randomizer, then use an variable of x, and then let's make an string. Okay, string. So string is welcome, welcome. Okay, so string is welcome. Then print. Then our this thing, uh, choice. Okay, so it should be r dot choice. Okay, r dot choice, choice, and then x. Yeah. So now if we rerun it, so we got O from welcome. We got this O. Okay. Then again run. We got E. Okay, we got an E. Then again run. So we got again a E. Okay, what is the coincidence? Then we got a W. Then we again got an E. Then L, and then so on. We get some letters. Okay. Then there is one more thing like random. Okay, in random module there is a function named random. Okay. Hey, why sample? I have not changed this. Okay, let's change it to random. Okay, r dot random, random, and we don't need a variable here because it's not needed. R dot random, and this is also not needed. Okay, r dot random. So this is like it prints the random number between 0.0 and 0.1. It is inclusive. Okay, like if 0.0, it can print 0.0, but it cannot print 0.1. Okay, let's run it. Okay, we got an error in the sixth line. Means here, okay, r dot random. Okay, there are two brackets. Built-in method random object. What is this? Yeah, so here we got it object. No, this is the pointer value, man. Why we are getting the pointer value? get built-in method random of a of random at random number between 0.0 and 0.1. So it should be okay. Like there is a problem here. Okay, so like here is important like there is a problem here, so let me get the solution. Okay, let just leave about this function. Okay, we'll do another function. So after random it comes randint. Okay, so for randint it returns an integer number selected element from the specified range, starts and ends value is included. Okay, so we can do is print r dot rand int and then we will give two brackets. Okay, two brackets, and there we can give an number like we can give from 3 to 9, from 3 to 9. So we got 9 only because it can be included. Now we got 8. So again if we run again 8. Okay, it's a coincidence. Then we got again 4, then 5, then 8, then 4, then 4, then 3, then 3, then 3. Oh my god, we got 3 for 3 times. Okay, that's good. Okay, so randint is used for this purpose. Then we are going for choices. So in choices, let me clear this stuff. Okay. For choices, the same like choice, but the thing is, in choices, it will not take one. It will make a list, or it will take so many values. Okay. So here we can use like we can again make our list, and there we can use 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and here we will use r dot choices. R dot choices, you should remember it. Choices and choices is used for a whole like thing, and for this thing we don't need for one. If we want to print one, then we don't need choices. Like 20, here it will not come an error. You can see it will print int object is not irritable. 400 choices. Okay, I've written the spelling wrong. I think so. No, nope. I haven't written it wrong. Dot choices. I think there is a problem here. Okay, let's run with X. What happens? Let's see. Okay, it is giving, but in only one. So for using it, I can use like three. I need three. Okay, again we got an error here. So what's the problem with it? Hmm, let me check. Everything is right. Okay, but why should we? We shouldn't get an error there. No, we shouldn't. So I think so. I have to get an solution for this also. I will put a community post for that. So leave this also, and then it comes for the last thing. It is uniform. So we couldn't cover two things here, random and these choices. So I will make a separate video for that. So here we can use this thing name. Where is that? Yeah, uniform. So to use the uniform, that it returns an random floating number between the two specified numbers. Like it is same like the random. Like it prints an random floating point number between two specified numbers. But it like here we can specify two numbers, but there we can't. So that's okay. Wait. I think so. I got the solution for it. For these choices, x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we can use print print r dot choices choices, and then x, and then we should give a variable here of k or anything else, and here we go. We got 20 numbers, which is choose from the numbers I gave here. Okay, um, where's my ID? Yeah. So I gave here, we got 20 numbers. Here we can now print 200 numbers, and also 2000 numbers, 20,000 numbers, and also something like this much we can print. Okay, it's too big, it's too big, we can't now. Now please. Okay, now also we can't because it's too big. Okay, anyways, it's not responding. Okay, after this we should use the uniform one. So in uniform, let me explain you what is uniform. Till that time it should respond. Okay. So the uniform is it returns a random floating point number between the two specified numbers. See, like from 2 to 3, I need some random specified floating numbers. Okay, so the it will print some specified like from 3 to like 2 to 3. It is and there is values of 2.6. Okay, and 2.9. Okay, like that values it can print. So why isn't it like working now? Okay, we can do one more thing for it. We can do one thing for it. Like we can go in our this stuff, and here we can open our IDE.py. Yeah, let it open. Yeah. So import a random as R. Then we need the uniform, right? So after that we should like print R dot uniform. Then after uniform we can give the specified numbers like 2260, 2260, and just run it. So we got a floating point number of 43.4927803808375024. Okay, we can get once more. Like we can run it so many times and then see the values. Here you go. We got so many numbers like this, and we are finished with our tutorial of random. Tomorrow, like day after tomorrow, there will be one more video. I'm recording in 19th and I will post it in 20th for sure. Okay, and I want to show like what things you can create in PK Enter. Okay, so here this is my ID.py and this is my calculator.py. These are two main things I made through PK Enter. Okay, so here if we put 98 minus 24 something values, then equals to, it will give 74. And if you want to clear, so we can use the C button. And here for by mistake I have used to this thing. Okay, and if I put this equal to, we'll get an error here because we don't have anything there. Okay, and I can also convert to this to an exe because this is not needed. Like so, if we convert it, it will be perfectly like the calculators in our computers. But I don't want to convert this one. Always I won't get an output window. For that I have to make an output window. There are so many things you can learn, like notepad.py. This one, like here the save function is not written. Okay, okay. So the shortcut is not there. I think so. It is there in my pen drive. This panda3d.py. Then here is that pixel.py. It shows the coordinates. Okay. So I want the coordinates of this place. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's not showing. We should open it in Visual Studio Code. I think so. It is written in PyAutoGY, and form.py is my game written in this Pygame. Tube.py is the file in which I taught you the Python. Okay, turtle.py. Let's see what is there in this turtle.py. Okay, nothing, just an simple this thing. I was testing with it. Okay, and then we get temp code runner. This is nothing, simple.py also nothing. In this main.py I have written the kv thing. In this lab.kv I have written the this is an kv file for kv. Okay, so that's it. We can like I will post the video on 20th.